Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom. Let's dive into today's topic, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.76. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 33.23%. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.95% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 40% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from approximately negative 59% to negative 15%. Examining the longer term, our analysis for the next 12 months indicates an expected decline of around 22%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a drop of about 32% to an increase of nearly 47% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $205.77 and $446.94. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock price up 2.49% on Friday. The UnitedHealth Group stock price gained 2.49% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025. The price rose from $295.84 to $303.22. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.41%, reaching a low of $297.15 and a high of $304.31. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has exhibited a 2.21% increase. However, volume decreased by 902,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 11 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.48 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price is 51.93% or $327.51 below the 52-week high of $630.73, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding UnitedHealth Group, trading under the ticker UNH, have raised significant investor concerns. A class action lawsuit has been filed against the company, highlighting allegations of securities fraud and undisclosed payments to nursing homes, which intensified scrutiny of its business practices. This legal backdrop has contributed to a considerable decline in its stock price, which has plummeted by over 40% this year, raising questions about investor confidence and the company's ability to maintain its historical dividend payouts. Despite these challenges, analysts suggest that UnitedHealth may present a long-term value opportunity. Currently valued at less than 12 times earnings, the company is viewed as a strong buy by some, particularly for long-term dividend investors. Fundamentals remain robust. With solid revenue and earnings per share growth coupled with a healthy balance sheet, management is actively focusing on cost controls and operational efficiency, aiming for a return to double-digit earnings growth by the year 2026. In the short term, the ongoing class action lawsuits and public scrutiny could continue to pressure the stock as investors weigh the potential for further declines. Conversely, if the company successfully navigates these legal hurdles and improves operational metrics, it may regain investor trust and bolster its stock performance moving forward. Investors should carefully monitor these developments to determine their impact on both immediate market reactions and long-term valuation strategies. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Barclays also gave UnitedHealth Group an overweight rating with a hold action. Additionally, on that Friday, Wells Fargo reported an overweight rating for UnitedHealth Group accompanied by a hold action. Earlier, on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, KeyBank assigned UnitedHealth Group a negative rating with a hold action. Furthermore, on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, HSBC reported a reduced rating for UnitedHealth Group, indicating analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 10.52%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day. Despite rising prices, this creates a divergence between volume and price which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this reflects a more negative outlook for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $353.46. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $300.78. A breakthrough of the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will produce an additional sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 33 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 31 days ago. Remember to